Hi there, students. Skipper. The skipper. Okay, the skipper is the captain of a ship or of a boat. Aye, aye, captain. Aye, aye, skipper. Okay, particularly a fishing boat, a fishing vessel. The skipper of the fishing vessel was arrested for importing drugs. Okay, skipper. You could be the skipper of a team. Yeah, the captain of a team. So John is the skipper of the team this year. One day, I think she's going to be skipper of the team. And then the skipper of an aircraft as well. The captain. So it's another word for the captain. It's a way of addressing someone. So the master of a ship, the skipper. The leader of the team, the skipper. The skipper of an aeroplane, the captain, the person who's flying it. Let's see, skipper. It could also be anyone that skips. Yeah, so a skipper was skipping down the street. To skip is to jump alternatively on one foot and then the other in a sort of bouncy, happy jumping run. Or maybe somebody who always skips class. He's the skipper in class. He's the skipper of skipping class. The captain. You could have a mud skipper as well. It's a little creature. It's a little fish that jumps. It skips on the mud, but that's why it's called a skipper. But I think generally a skipper, the captain. Yeah, the captain of the ship, the captain of the team, the person in charge, the captain of a rugby team, the captain of a cricket team. Yeah, the skipper of a cricket team, the skipper of a football team. Okay, he's the skipper of a boat, the skipper of a fishing boat. The England skipper is confident that that they are going to win the match. And then a skipper, somebody that skips, or any of a variety of insects or, well, a fish that skips on the surface of the water or skips on the surface of the mud. The master of a ship, the master of a fishing vessel or a pleasure boat, the skipper. The captain of an aeroplane, the first pilot, the skipper, the person in charge, the person in the position of leadership, the skipper. I guess the skipper of the company. You could say the CEO is the skipper of the company, although maybe a bit informal like that. And then to skipper, to lead. So who's going to skipper the team this year? To skipper, to be in charge, to lead, to look after. Skipper, formality. I think 5 in formality, use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, the master of a ship, this comes from Middle Dutch, schipper, yeah, a skipper, from Proto-Germanic, skipperijas, which is a sailor. So this word's been around for quite a long time. So enough. If you enjoy the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel.